Morning everyone is a subject name Principles of Management, the first case study on organizing oriented. So we can say the case study on monitoring absentia for student using RFID in schools. Next one. So I collect the problem from Asan Techno Soft Solution. So it's a biggest solution for mobile application development as well as in big data and website developments are concentrate that area for solution for mobile application developments. So we can next one we can say thrust area robotics automation. Next one is the industrial vertical area, that means smart city. Next one, empathy part. Schools are not maintaining in proper in absentees in manual oriented. So the problem from schools, so that the problem I have collect the problem from first Asan Techno Software Solutions. So I got the problem from that company. So the company and myself, I discussed this problem. So first, sir, I need I give a problem, sir. So that it's difficult in maintain the manual in absentees and lot of human resources and proper waste. Next, more time required. Next one. Problem, the difficult in maintain the manual absentees and paper waste and due to human resources. So next one, solution. The solution, the develop we have numerous solutions are available, but was one of the solution. So for example, using of websites, using of mobile applications, using of big data oriented, using of machine learning, using of AI. Numerous applications are available, but I concentrate only to develop a mobile application for monitoring and absentees and update the detail of student using RFID. Next one, methodology. The methodology is step 1. The student database collect. What is the reason I collect the database? The reason means, so I have whether a student is absent or not. How do I know? So first I collect the database from school. So I could collect the database from school. So that process done starting from here. So that first I collect the database, and after I create admin login and user login. The admin login is a principal, is a monitor and control of absentees and send through mobile application and message passing through parent. So user login is the faculty members. First of all, the admin, that means admin means a principal. So allocate the faculty members. Allocate the faculty members in class wise. After the faculty members, if anybody can enter the faculty, take the attendance. So first, using RFID based on your ID card. The ID card is feed or capture your machine. If the student is present, the present as marked as a present. If the student is absent, is marked as absent. After overall taking attendance, the attendance sent to uploaded into website or through mobile. The mobile and the principals can see. The principal can see, send the detail. If it is those who are absent is asked to the faculty member. The faculty member, as a mark it is absent, after update remarks. The remarks is sent to the parent. The parent are discussed with the faculty member as well as student. The next one, the student absent information sent the parent through mobile application. Next one, So this is a methodology. The methodology, first one, database collection. Here I'm collecting the database here after login creation. So I have already told this is one from principal, one from faculty member. Okay, the principal allocate the faculty in class wise. The faculty, so this is a faculty allocation. So after the faculty can enter the class, the using of RFID, that means ID card, as sweep or just touching your machine, the machine as marked as a, if the student is present, marked as a present. If the student is not available in your class and is marked as a absent. So absent is the faculty member after completing the attendance in your class, the after completion submit the OK button. The absentees are sent to the principal. The principal verify the details. After ask the faculty members, the faculty member give the reason. So there is no problem. If the reason is not valid, the principal and the message, if those who are absent, the message sent to your mobile application. So this is a methodology to implement in my case study. So next one, benefit. Benefit, reduce the time and easy monitoring student absentees and reduce the human resource facility and reduce the paper waste. So go back. So already I told. So difficult to maintain manual absentees because the each and every person, that means faculty members, take attendance taking attendance and mark and based taking attendance, and each and every day lot of human resources are based and paper resources are based. So more time required to take attendance in each and every classes. So that this problem identified, and after the solutions identified and give a methodology and implement step by step in our class. So identify my benefit of reduces time and easy monitoring students absentees, reduce the human resource facility and reduce the paper waste in my problem. So this is an industry case study. The case study is sent to my company and accept so benefit of our students, benefit school process. And next one, this is my reference, and thank you.